environment is stop using plastic, disposing garbage properly and separate the biodegradable waste from the non-biodegradable waste. Be part of the solution, not the pollution. Recycling plastic, feel fantastic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Dakshare. Today I can speak on topic Save Water. Water is most essential, perishable and precious resource on earth. Unwanted and unnecessary use of water can lead to famine, droughts and various other problems. Without water, no one can survive and no sector of the society can perform their functions well. Fresh water supply is limited and the need to save it is very important. Saving water is not the duty of any single individual but of the whole nation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all. Today I am making a slogan on water. हर कोई पानी को बचाकर बने महान. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening ma'am. Myself Jiten Rathod from class 4 Daisy. Today I am saying a slogan on stop pollution. Stopping pollution is the best solution. We can reduce pollution by using public transport, avoid using crackers, planting more and more trees, turn off light when not in use, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning all. My name is Viren Gulati. I study in class 4 Daisy. Today I am going to speak a quote for save water. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. If we don't save it, we will be fish out of water. So save water and it will save you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Ashmi from class 4 Daisy. Today I am going to tell something save water. Without water we cannot live. Water helps in breathing. A drop of water is worth more than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shashank from class 4 Daisy. Today my topic is save water. Water is very essential for us. Water everywhere. Try to stop it if you care. Water is worth for the life on the earth. If you save water, water will save you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mokta from class 4 Daisy. Today I am going to tell you about means of transport. Transfer of commodities or person from one place to another place is known as transport. There are three main means of transport: land transport, air transport, water transport. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, my name is Manav. I am in 4 Daisy. Today's my topic is save water. Water is an important natural resource in our life. Every person on earth needs water to survive. So we should save water for us and our future generation. If you save water, water will save you. Do the earth a favor, be a water saver. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anurag from class 4 Daisy. Today my topic is save water. Save water, it will save you. Conserve water, conserved life. Save every drop. Go green, drink clean. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Shra from class 4 Daisy with cash crops. Coffee. It contains caffeine, reduce stress and increase alertness. It is grown in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Tea. It contains antioxidant. It can be taken green or black. It is grown in Assam, Darjeeling. Jute. It is a long shiny fiber. It is used for making bags, cloths, and carpets, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Ronik from class 4 AZ. My topic is any food item of any state of northern region. Jammu and Kashmir, the northernmost state of India, brings forth one of the most delicious cuisines to be found anywhere in the country. The Rogan Josh, Dum Aloo, Yakhni, Haq Saag, Gustaba, and Tabak Mas are some of the well-liked dishes served in the region. Thank you.
Today I am presenting a slogan, Save Water. How many drops make up an ocean? Conserve water, every drop counts.
To all of you, I am Bhavishya from class 4 days. Today I am making a slogan on Save Water. हर कोई पानी को बचाकर बने महान। पानी हमारी जिंदगी में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। पानी बचाओ, जिंदगी बनाओ। पानी बचाओ, पानी बचाओ। Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Palak from class 4 days. I want to describe means of transport. There are 3 types of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Let's talk about land transport. Land transport is that transport by which people move one place to another place on land only. This is the example of land transport, and this is also the example of land transport. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very good morning to all. I am Anya Huda from class 4 days. Today I would like to speak few words on Save Water. Water is the precious gift of nature. We cannot live without water. Let's join all hands and take a pledge to save water. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening everyone. My name is Shika from class 4 Today I am presenting a slogan on Save Water. Water, water everywhere. Try to save it if you care. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning of you. My name is Vidwan. I read in class 4 days. My topic is cash crop. Important cash crop are cotton, jute and oilseed. The cultivated are sold in the market for money. Some of them grow in large area of land is called plantation. Rubber, coffee and tea are the main crop of the India. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, my name is Samar Huda. Today my topic is Save Environment. We can save environment by growing trees, by saving water, by reuse and recycling, and by stop cutting trees recklessly. It is truly sad that better environment is better tomorrow. Thank you, have a nice day.
Ma'am, my name is Navneet. I study in class 4 days. My topic is three cash crop: sugarcane, cotton, jute. First, sugarcane. It is used to making jaggery and sugar. It grows mainly in Maharashtra, UP, Punjab. Cotton. It is grown mainly in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra.
Hello friends, my name is Kirisha. Today my topic is Save the Water. Water, water everywhere, save it if you care. Water is life, treat it right. Save your water, save your future. Thank you.
I am Tali from class 4 Easy. Today my topic is Save Water. Water is our life, so don't hit and waste our life. Save water, save life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Wotan. And why are you polluting me and making me shorter?
I am so slim that we can pass through any space. Nobody can beat my pace. I am transparent. Oxygen and hydrogen are my elements. So please save me. Thank you.
Morning of you. My name is Vidwan. I read in class 4 Daisy. My topic is cash crop. Important cash crop are cotton, jute and oilseed. The QT52 today are sold in the market for money. Some of them grow in large area of land is called plantation. Rubber, coffee and tea are the main crop of the India. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, good evening ma'am. My name is Rakshita from class 4 Daisy. My topic is save water. Do not the tap open for while brushing teeth or bathing. You can put the dirty water on our kitchen. Plant in water in plant. We should collecting the rainwater. Save life, save water. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening. Today I bang up what is going to represent the list of 3 cash crops. Cash crops are crops those are cultivated to be sold in the market and to make profit. Some of these are cotton, coffee, jute, spices, etc. Now let us talk about the jute. It is used for making carpets, bags, etc. It is well grown in hot climate and needs plenty of water. Jute grows well in West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Bihar. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Bhavik. My topic is saving water. Saving water is responsibility of everyone. Water is used for cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. Our extreme depend on water. 70% human body made up of water. Without water, we have some problems like during hunger and whatever. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शुभम है। मैं सपोर्ट का छात्र हूँ। मैं सेव वाटर के बारे में कुछ आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। जल हमारे लिए बहुत उपयोगी है। इसको सभी कामों में यूज़ किया जाता है। ये मनुष्य, जानवर, पेड़ पौधों को इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है। इसको हमें इकट्ठा करना चाहिए। इसको हमें वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। जल ही जीवन है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning all of you. My name is Anjali. My topic is save water. Even a single drop of water is precious than all the wealth of wealth. Richness can never buy the water. Water is daughter of Mother Earth. Letting her go would end of its flow. Stay wise, think twice, save water, save life. Have a nice day.
Land transport, bike and car, air transport, motor, balloon and airplane, water transport, submarine and ship. Minimum use, less pollution and it's equal to good health of human being. We should use less minimum because that leads to less pollution resulting in good health of human being.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today I want to tell you few ways on save water. Use a bucket for bathing instead of shower can save a lot of water. Turn off the tap while brushing and washing hands. Use it only when required. There should be a leakage in toilets and bathrooms. It is only when fixed immediately to save water. Turn off tap while washing utensils. Use less water for washing cars and other vehicles. Refrain from polluting water body. Wash smoothly and many beautiful plants and trees thrive without water immediately. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Sid from class 4. I speak in fluent and for save water. Water is life. Water is most precious gift of God to humanity. Water is needed in everyone, so it has become very necessary to save water. Don't waste water. Save life. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Khushi from class 4 Daisy. Today I am presenting a slogan on save water. Please save every drop of water, because if you save the every drop of water, so it can save you on every important time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening, my name is Shubham from class 4 Daisy. I speak in few lines of save water. Water is life. Water is most precious gift of God humanity. Water is needed to everyone, so it has become was necessary to save water. Don't waste water. Water stored in dumps. Save water. Save. Thank you. Everybody, I am Navish Sharma from class 4 Daisy. My topic is save water. Water is a boon. Water is a life. Without any water, nothing can survive. We need water. Animal too. Plant need water. Earth too. Don't waste water anywhere. Save water, save earth, save life. Thank you. Have a nice day. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सिद्ध है। मैं कक्षा 4 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको सेव वाटर के बारे में 5 लाइनें बताना चाहता हूँ। पानी हमारे जीवन के लिए अमूल्य धन है। इसकी सारे कामों में आवश्यकता होती है। हमें इसको एकत्रित करना चाहिए। हमें इसको वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। ये मनुष्य, जानवरों और पक्षियों के, पेड़ पौधों के लिए बहुत जरूरी है।
I am studying from class 4 Easy. Today my topic is save water. Water is our life, so don't hit and waste our life. Save water, save life. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tanya. I am reading for Daisy. Today my topic is describing the transport, land transport, van, bike, car, etc. And water transport is boat, yacht, motorboat, boat, etc. And air transport is helicopter, airplanes, rockets, etc. Thank you.
My name is Devi. I am from class 4 Daisy. My topic is save water. Do not waste water. Please save water. Save water and save life.
My name is Aryan. I am reading 4th class in Pathanewal campus. My topic is means of transport. Transport means moving the people or goods from one place to another. There are 3 types of transport. First, land transport. Example, car, bus. Or number 2 is water transport. Example, boat and ship. Number 3 is air transport. Example, number 1 is aeroplane. Number 2 is helicopter. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Dr. Arora from class 4 Daisy. I am speaking few lines on save water. We should save water because it is very important for our life on earth. Use leftovers.
over water for plants. Turn off the tap when we do not need it. Use a cup when we brushing your teeth. Thank you and have a nice day. Please save water.
Froila, for Daisy, my topic is save environment. Be part of the solution, not the pollution. Recycling plastic feel fantastic. Thank you.